art friends, today we are going to draw a snow globe.
Yeah, for Valentine's Day, we're going to draw a Cupid inside of the snow globe. And what did you call this?
A love globe.
Yeah, I think that's perfect. I hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some?
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
I also always like to mention that we're using marker paper to draw on. That's because we're using markers to draw and color with. This helps keep our markers lasting a lot longer than if we used regular printer paper. First, we'll draw a big circle for our snow globe. I'm going to draw it freehand, but I'll show you that you can also use a template to trace around if you don't want to draw it freehand. So there's my circle, but you could use a bowl and turn it upside down like this. Put your left hand on top and then reach around as far as you can so that you can do it all in one motion around the bowl. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. That's really cool.
Nice.
Then we can put the bowl off to the side and let's draw the base for our snow globe or love globe. I'm going to draw a line that comes down to the left and also a line down to the right. Then let's connect those two lines with a curve, and I'm trying to match the curve of the circle, and that's okay if it's a little straighter. Then we can also add little details to the base of our snow globe. I'm going to draw a heart. So we can draw the left side, and then I can also draw the right side to match. And maybe I might add another little line here, and you can also change the designs of your snow globe. You don't have to draw the same decorations. You could add different lines. Well, I might add another base down here, or another line for the base. Okay, now let's draw the inside of our snow globe, and let's draw a little Cupid. First gonna draw the smile. And then we could draw the cute little eyes. I'm going to draw upside down U's. Kind of match the smile. We could also draw a little eyelash sticking out on each side. Then let's draw the face, or a big U shape that goes around for the chin and also the cheeks. And we could draw the hair. I'm going to draw a curve that starts on the left side, comes up, and then before we connect to the other side, I'm going to draw a little zigzag and then connect. Now let's draw the ears. I'll draw the letter C on the left and a backward C on the right. Then let's draw the hair, or the line on top, to complete the head. So I'm going to draw a curve, maybe stop there, so we can add a little zigzag line. And then I'm going to finish curving around and connecting to the ear on the other side. Okay, now let's draw another heart. I'm going to draw it right here. We could draw two guide points to help us if we want. So one right below the chin and then one a little further down. Then we can draw a line that comes out, curves around, and then straight into the bottom guide point. Then let's do the same thing on the other side. Those guide points also help us put the center of the heart right in the center of our little Cupid's head. Then we can also draw a curve here and on the other side so that it looks like the Cupid's hanging on to the heart. Then we could also draw the little feet sticking out the bottom. I'm going to draw a U shape here and another U shape to match on the other side. What's our Cupid missing?
His wings.
Yes, let's draw a curve coming out to the left, and let's also draw a curve on the other side to match. Then let's draw the little feathers. I'm going to draw three bumps, and connect down here at the bottom. We're going to add those same 3 bumps on the other side to match. That's a really simple way and a cute way to draw a Cupid. Okay, now let's draw the snow at the bottom of our snow globe. I'm going to start here on the wing. We'll curve out, and I'm going to stop before I connect to the glass. And then we'll do that same curve over here and stop. Yeah, then we can connect those two curves by drawing a big curve that matches the outside of the snow globe. Perfect. Oh, we could add a little extra detail here. Maybe this is a little tree or a bush. We could do the same thing over here. You could add even more or different details to the inside of your snow globe. And we did it! We finished drawing our snow globe, or love globe, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You could even add extra details like more hearts or, oh, even snow that's floating. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute little love globes, and I love how yours turned out.
Thanks.
You guys can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, and I also especially love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. That's okay, right? Mm-hmm. The most important thing is?
To have fun and to practice.
Practice, yeah. Have fun and practice. And you can also add more things. We added little extra details on the outside. We even added little snowflakes on the inside.
You could also add another Cupid.
Oh, maybe there's one floating on the outside.
Also remember, you don't have to color it the same as us.
Yeah, you could use different colors, but if you have the same set and you want to use the exact same colors, we used 121 pink, also 88 pink, and 17 is the really light pink.
Then we use 76 blue for the water.
Yeah, and also I used 25 for the skin tone, used 24 for the skin tone, it's a little darker, and also I used CG1 for shading on the wings.
We hope you had fun drawing your Valentine's love globe.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.